Welcome to another episode of Miss Elizabeth Reads. Hi, I'm Mrs. Elizabeth, and today we're reading
A school bus takes children to school. Tow trucks rescue many vehicles. Sports cars zoom on the highway. Minivans hold lots of friends. SUVs can drive on rocky roads. Motorcycles go vroom vroom. Big rigs haul heavy loads. Garbage trucks collect trash.
Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.